everyone. Today we learn cooking verbs vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's get started. Mix.
Mix.
We mix the ingredients together. Stir.
Stir.
Stir the soup slowly. Cut.
Cut.
Cut the vegetables carefully. Chop.
Chop.
Chop the onions into small pieces. Peel.
Peel.
Peel the banana or potato. Boil.
Boil.
Boil the water in a pot. Fry.
Fry.
Fry the eggs in a pan. Bake.
Bake.
Bake cookies in the oven. Grill.
Grill.
Grill the corn on the fire. Toast.
Toast.
Toast the bread until it's brown. Pour.
Pour.
Pour water into the glass. Taste.
Taste.
Taste the soup to check the flavor. Add.
Add.
Add sugar to the tea. Serve.
Serve.
Serve the food on the table. Wash.
Wash.
Wash the vegetables with clean water. Whisk.
Whisk.
Whisk the eggs in a bowl. Spread.
Spread.
Spread butter on the bread. Slice.
Slice.
Slice the tomato thinly. Heat.
Heat.
Heat the pan before cooking. Cool.
Cool.
Let the cake cool down. Knead.
Knead.
Knead the dough for soft bread. Mash.
Mash.
Mash the potatoes until smooth. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Squeeze the lemon for juice. Season.
Season.
Season the food with salt and pepper. Smell.
Smell.
Smell the yummy food. Taste.
Taste.
Taste the delicious cake. Blend.
Blend.
Blend fruits to make a smoothie. Freeze.
Freeze.
Freeze the ice cream. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your tasty meal.